Have you heard about the new WhatsApp username update, but not sure how to create or reserve your own username? Don't worry, here's how to set it up and claim your username before someone else does. So for that, let's open WhatsApp. If you're on an Android, just tap on this three-dot menu and select Settings. And then tap on your profile name. However, if you're on an iPhone, just tap on the profile icon and then tap on this edit icon. The rest of the process is same for both. So here what you're going to do is just tap on reserve username. If your WhatsApp is connected to Insta or Facebook or both, you can use their username. Or if you want, you can create a custom one. So in this video, we're creating our own one. Just make sure your username is available. When you get to the perfect one, simply save it. And this unique WhatsApp username is now only yours. And that's the way you can easily create or claim your WhatsApp username. Thanks and take care.